I have 2 dropshipping products for April and for the upcoming months that I think can sell very well based off the research I performed. I'm going to show these products to you in this video, and although the products might not look the most exciting, remember, a lot of rich people get rich in a very boring way. So don't be the guy who just looks at these products, sees how they look, and then says,
I'm not going to test it. Doesn't look exciting.
Goes to the next video and does the same thing, because I could promise you, you'll never be successful. Instead, learn why these products sell so you could improve your marketing skills, learn how to build better offers, how to write better copy. I'm going to show you all of this in this video, and you could start actually making sales and make profit. So the first product that I think will do extremely well is something that I haven't seen too much of, and this is it. Basically, it's a gardening product. So short ad copy, no need for hand tools, gardening lovers must have. And I'm going to show you the video right now. So within the first 3 seconds, they grab your attention with something that's out of the ordinary. And they show a product demonstration too. Now they go into the ad. They're telling you how the product will make your life easier. They provide benefits that speak to their audience, so I'm sure they did tons of research. And they just show how easy it is. They're speaking directly to their audience. So this is a 27-second ad. I'm sure you can make a 15-second, a 30-second, a 50-second ad, but just do research if you plan on selling a product like this, and then you could see all of the other ads they run, because this, I'm pretty sure, is a general store. They have a bunch of products. So check out what would be good for the upcoming months in this season, and then sell a product like that. But this product, let's check the profit margin on it right now. So we loaded it up in AliExpress. It's from a top brand, top supplier. We can see it has 102 reviews for 394 orders. That's actually a pretty good ratio. That's like 1 review for every 4 orders. And we could see the first product we get for 99 cents. After that, it looks like it's $5.76 with free shipping for these products. Now we have 5 different colors. If I was making a website and I was going to sell this, I would probably only put like 1 to 2 variants on my website so that the customer doesn't get lost picking from 5 products. They could only pick from 2. You want to scrape up a bunch of good photos, get a bunch of good videos, and then bring that to like a video editor to get your ads made. Let's check out a competitor website and what they're doing. Instantly, we see they have a very captivating photo of what this product can do, and they give a comparison why they should have the product, because gardening without the glove is going to be way harder. And then we have their offer. Now, notice how it's not just a regular product name like any dropshipping store. They actually make it more enticing. They give a whole offer for the product name. So last day promotion, they rush urgency. Save 48% off the offer. Gardening claw protective gloves, that's the product. Buy 2, get 1 free now. So that's pretty cool. They have buy 1 pair for $14, buy 2, get 1 free for $27, basically $28, and then buy 3, get 2 free and free shipping. So if they sell 1 pair or the buy 2, get 1 free, they're gonna charge you shipping, and that's how they make their money. Because if this product is basically $6 a piece, you need to have that margin. So if you're selling 3 of them, you're gonna spend $18. They only have a 10 margin. Add the shipping on, they have a little higher margin. Now, if they're giving away 5 of these things, it's gonna be costing them $30. So they only have like a $12 margin. That's not enough. I'm gonna assume that they are doing something on the back end, providing an upsell to really make up for that loss of profit. Now, you could see that this website is getting a ton of traffic. In February, it's only 40K, but this product is coming up in March, April, May. So I'm sure it's gonna shoot back up. Now, let's check out the G trend real quick, and we can see when this product is actually going to sell. So it looks like March, April, May in an uptrend 5 years ago, kind of same thing 4 years ago, starting in February all the way to May. It's at a peak point in May. Same thing here, February, March, April, May, February, March, April. So you want to be selling this product right now in March, April, May, so that you could actually hop on the trend, and you could see that it's starting to scale up again. So it's a great time to sell this product. Find great product images, great product videos, make a landing page, and then bring this to ads. Run like maybe 5 to 10 videos videos following one of my Facebook ad strategies, you could go back on my YouTube channel and check one of them out and then see if this product will work for you. Now, if you don't want to sell that product, we have product number 2, and I'm going to show you a good ad right now. So something as simple as this: slides, comfy slides to reduce foot pain and joint pain. And the last time I checked, there was 15 variations running for this ad. We could even see their website. Now, their website, the first thing I noticed is that there's 8 color variations, which I personally think is too much, and it's going to overload the information for your customer, and they're not going to make a decision because it's too much. It's overwhelming. So I would pick like 2 to 3 colors, throw it on a website. I noticed that they're selling this thing for $18.95. So let's check out how much we can buy this product for. And on CJ Dropshipping, it looks like we can buy this for $11.25. Let's see if that's CJ Ordinary. Let's change that. So you're getting this product for $12.07, right? Now, to be selling it for $18.95, that's not too much room for a margin unless they're charging shipping. I know for a fact you could charge like $30, $40, $50 for this product. Probably around 40 would be like the best ideal spot, but you're gonna have to do your own price testing. Let's see if the ads gain traction first. Now, what we wanna do is look at the G trend, see when it's trending up. So April, May, it was a good time. Also in October, November, and December, I'm guessing for a Christmas gift. And then another uptrend is in May. In August, it's uptrending into September. So these upcoming months are going to be very good. You can see it hit its peak point in August and September again. And then another uptrend in March, April, May, like last year. So you can see it's uptrending right now. If you sell this product starting now, it's going to be a good test because it's in demand in the current market. And if it works for you, look how simple this ad is. Comfy slides reduces foot and joint pain. That's all there is to the ad. It's a short form ad copy. Now, what you want to do is just really like see if this thing is getting traffic. So this website isn't getting traffic. Check out other websites and then maybe you can find something that gets traffic. So let's search this product with Google Lens and just see if other people are really selling it. After doing the Google search, we could see a lot of people are selling this on Amazon, Walmart. So it might be a little saturated to sell this specific product, but if you find a good competitor that's running a lot of ads for it and is getting good traction, it would be a very good product to sell in this season because it's in demand. You could take this information, do what you want with it. If this isn't the right product for you, test the other one. And if both of these products aren't the right ones for you, find something that's in the current market right now and then try to really sell it, man. And if you're looking for a mentor right now, you could join me, join my students. I will take you through a simple e-commerce system. It's for beginners, it's for intermediate, expert, and you get a ton of bonuses within the e-commerce program. It's a full A to Z program that led my students to 6K days, and the blueprint is copy and paste. So anybody can do it. Just click the link in the description. We could set up a free call. We'll hop on that call and we'll get started right away. So I want to make sure you're serious. If you're a good fit, we'll start crushing it right away. All right, guys, I hope you loved the video and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.